Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you, well, my most basic thing I've ever made. So this is sodium hydroxide, which has been dissolved in water to its highest percent, like it's fully dissolved to the highest maximum of this water. So, then I filtered it, because my sodium hydroxide over here is not pure. It has some iron oxide in it, due to what I boiled it in. Anyway, I'm going to be testing the pH of it. So I have this little pH tester. It's not the best because it really only measures up to 10, and to 4 for the acidic, 10 to alkaline. Okay, and it's just just a standard tester type of thing. Has all of them. Really all of the chemical testers. So I'm going to take a little bit out of this test tube. About a half a milliliter. And I'm going to put it in this test tube and put a drop of that. So all I'm doing right now is I'm unscrewing the top of my pH tester, unscrewing the top of my basic solution. So I'm holding my test tube in the other hand. Okay, there's half a milliliter. You can't see the second test tube, but I'm holding it. Okay, so that's in. Not very much. Sorry about the messy lab background. That's filter paper. That stuff. That's, yeah. Anyway, so now let's add our pH tester now. Let's actually get my, probably should have done this in the first place. It would have been much easier. Okay. I'm going to be adding 1 droplet of this guy. So it's clear right now, and boom. As soon as this red droplet hit it, it turned a very, very dark purple, and it's quite pretty. Very, very pretty. So it's obviously at least a 10. So if we, actually I'm going to screw my pH tester back on the top. So let's compare it. So that's our purple of that. Our purple actually looks a little bit darker. Probably about 25% more darker. Very pretty purple, actually. Hope you guys. So I'm comparing. So the one on the left is the one we just did. The one on the right is before I did a bunch of boiling it down and saturating the solution. And you can actually see the one on the right, which is the before, is much see-through. Like you can actually see through it. So that means it's my solution is much. Well, my newer solution is much more basic. I hope you guys enjoyed. By the way, I made it through electrolysis.